Here we are given two problems. Let us start off with problem number 1. We are given the differential equation y squared times y double prime plus 5x times y prime plus 3y equals 0. This is a Cauchy-Euler differential equation. Let us write out the initial equation. We're going to get 1 times r minus 1 plus 5 times r plus 3 equals 0. Next, we expand this out to get r squared plus 4r plus 3, and let's see if we can factor this out. I think the factors for this one will be 3 and 1. So let's put r plus 3 times r plus 1 equals 0. We set the factors equal to 0 to get the roots. r1 will be negative 3 and r2 will be equal to negative 1. So therefore our solution to this problem, let us write this out to answer it, y of x would equal to